All right, now we heading to Now we heading to Grapevine, Texas to service Camry. See what's going on with it. It's gonna be getting a tune-up and a couple other things going on. So out here in South Lake, I'm gonna stop for some quick parts and then we head into Grapevine. Out here in Grapevine, got the Camry pulling up right now. We're gonna see what that suspension noise is, and then we're gonna be replacing the air filter, the spark plugs, adding a fuel system cleaner, and a couple more things. Shouldn't take too long on this. This is a 3.5 V6. Suspension noise could actually just be the engine mounts. Look at this. That's a lot of movement. Replacing the spark plugs on here, it's not too hard once you get the hang of it. You just have to remove the 6mm hex bolts right there, and then it'll be a 12mm bolt right there on the back side that's holding this intake in place, and it'll be another one on that side that you probably have to reach around from that angle to get to. And these are the easiest ones to get to. I like to do these last, knock out the other ones. All right, we got the 10mm out and we got the 5mm Allen bolts out. Vacuum lines disconnected. Should just pop right up now. Cover these intake holes up with a towel or paper towel, make sure nothing falls in there. And the spark plugs are located right back there. Yeah, that mount is out of there. I can only imagine how the other ones look. But I'm seeing a lot of movement. Just moving it with my hand, I can move the engine, and that's not good. So definitely need to get some engine mounts scheduled for a future date. The 10mm bolts on the ignition coils loose. Now we can remove them to get to the plugs. All right, we got 4 out so far. Got the ones on the back side, and we're replacing them with some OEM Lexus plugs. OEM Lexus and Toyota plugs. I already made sure that the gaps were correct too. All right, got the new plugs installed. Made sure everything was down there tight. Everything was pre-grabbed the right way. Next step, put this intake back. Connect all the vacuum hoses and electrical connections. And we're gonna beat the storm that's apparently coming. All right, moment of truth. Yes, sir. 166,000 miles. Now we're heading to the next one. Look at this old 4Runner. It's pretty nice. Every car a song. HerbzAutoCare on the journey. We've been rolling too long. Touched by tales of love and loss. These broken cars have been